Hi, this is Bob O'Hearn. As a corporate video producer, I'm involved in executive messaging with business leaders from large and small organizations. Busy executives know the critical importance of communicating with employees, customers, and even their own counterparts. They also realize they don't get many opportunities to get in front of these people, except for sales meetings, town halls, trade shows, or resorting to written communication. The most recently accepted and widely used approach is to create an online video presentation. Interestingly, most business leaders get some form of media training. For example, dealing with news outlets and answering questions at a press conference, but they're not necessarily comfortable on camera speaking either extemporaneously or from prepared remarks. The very act of going on camera, reading from a teleprompter, or risking the dreaded hostage tape can stall or derail a vital interaction. Transcending the camera and teleprompter to reach and move an audience is a must in this very hectic, fast-moving digital environment. On-camera transfer of emotion is something business leaders will have to get more comfortable with as time and in-person opportunities continue to elude us.